dangerous game. They are playing dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing nothing.
I said, now we they run this town. What's this one? Now we they run this town. Now we they run this town. Their father. What is she they feel like? Dog where they bite, no they back. I said dog where they bite, no they back. Dog where they bite, no they back. Dog where they bite, no they back. Bingo's the back. Bulldogs. They observe. When our gas. Bingo. Go hide in tail for yash. Take off.
Jennifer. Since I did like this so now me be bulldog for this street. I dey bite for nyash. And if I bite on nyash, you don't go rest. You go dey run kitty kitty kitty, they run kata kata. And so your life will just dey miserable. Shey dey hear am?
Sophia. When is your mother's birthday? Remind me.
20th now.
20th of when?
Of this month.
No, Yawana. I go pull body. Now that day, we go know Bingo and Bulldog.
Just a taxi, na daddy, as if she feel mess. You feel mess? You know if you cough that day. Shebi that day they come now. We gallant, we Balenciaga, all of us go there. You go see if you go on for you. Shey the hear am. They make noise, they oof like this, like say something come hard.
Don't mind her. How are you doing?
Ada, what are you doing with this girl? I've told you to stop seeing this girl, right? Eh? This girl will spoil you.
No. Now, okay. You know she's my friend.
So what? This girl is going to spoil you. I keep warning you. Eh?
Obim, she won't. You, why are you still out selling? The sun is out.
So?
You should go home and rest.
I'm trying to make money to take care of you.
Obim, I know, but you need to rest, right? Fasty! Mama put love. Hey! Biko.
Stop following this girl. This girl is a bad influence. This girl will spoil you. Adana.
I've heard.
I'm going to Emeka's place to give them food.
Okay. Alright, I'll see you. Adana. Yes, I'm going to the house. Bye-bye. Why?
Don't you want your
No, please don't worry. Okay, take care. Sorry, man.
Hot jollof rice! I see the hot! Hot jollof rice!
Are you not? What is it now, eh? See, you cannot allow this boy to ruin your life. Ezine. Respect yourself, oh. See, what I do in my life is not your business. Respect yourself, oh. I don't like the way you talk about my boyfriend. Now 9 months go end them. And when it ends, I won't even help you. You will see. Come, let's go. You have not helped yourself. It's me you want to help. Obi! Take care! Ezine, stop, John. Stop. Be careful. I'm warning you.
But I have white rice and banga soup.
That's fine.
How much do you want?
How do you sell it?
It's just 500 naira for a plate.
Alright, no problem. Just give me one now.
You want meat?
Of course.
No.
You said it's 500 for a plate.
So without meat, now?
It can't be without meat.
What do you mean it can't be without meat?
No, it can't be without meat.
With meat it's 1,000. Oh.
500 you said.
No.
I hope you have a spoon though.
Madam, there's no spoon. Oh.
How can you be selling rice without spoon?
Madam, take this food. You stop speaking English, I beg.
Where's the spoon?
Madam, go and eat in your house. There's no spoon. Spoon don't finish.
Because my store is very close. If not, I wouldn't have agreed.
White rice and banga soup. 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 White rice and banga soup.
Obi, answer me now. Can't you stop this your mama put business and get a better job? Baby, this business doesn't look good on you at all. You're too handsome to be doing this business. Please.
I know what's bothering you. Ezine is not proud of me. Ezine is not proud of us. Ezine does not like the fact that I am your boyfriend. She's not proud because I'm a local food vendor. Yes.
It's not like that. I'm considering you. I need you to have enough time to rest and have enough time for us. Yes.
I don't know, what are you talking about? I stopped cooking on Sundays because of you. In fact, I stopped cooking on Sundays, on Saturdays, on Sundays, weekends, the whole weekends. I stopped cooking because of you. Are you not getting the affection and the time you need from me? I give you money to buy clothes. I give you money for cream. I give you money to make your hair. What is it now?
Obi, I'm not saying you're not trying. You're trying. I really appreciate you.
But what?
You deserve something better. You need to just stop this business and do something else. Something more befitting.
Adana, you don't understand. Cooking is my hobby. Cooking is what I love to do. I love to cook. But I thought you used to like me doing this now. What changed? What happened? You are changing, oh. You have changed, oh. Ha.
I know you're not listening to me now. I
I knew it, that you're not going to listen to me. All the time I'm talking to you, you not listen to me. Later you say you love me.
It's Ezine that is pushing you.
It's pushing me.
Maybe she has introduced you to another man.
Okay. Ezine has not introduced me to any man. No. Listen to what I'm saying now. Eh?
Jay, for me today, bros, not only you with the, you see, as they hot when they come back, come give us your love, we go eat, enjoy. When they flex well with your better jollof rice, your better rice and stew, your fako, you carry both rice and beans, you come over. What about now you woman come make you come they feel like say, brother, any woman will not like your business, your handiwork, what they do when they fetch you money, bros, discharge her, let her go.
Ezine is the one telling her what to do. Adana was never like this before. She has changed.
Adana has changed. My brother, shine your eyes. Love, they know they force them. You not fine boy. You they with your own village girl, they love. When city, they wait for you. Better babes, stay for city, they trip. Go to say, now this guy fine boy, yeah, we go die for this one with your jollof rice. What be your destiny? Now cooking. You kill everybody with food, I beg. The day they die for Adana. Let Adana go, I beg. Bros, that man Tombogo don't ready you. Make we go, chop mama.
I'm not in the mood, Emeka. I'm not in the mood.
You know never mood. Which mood? I will activate your mood. Let's activate this happy mood. Let's Adana go.
I'm not in the mood.
Ha! I cannot drink and make merry only myself only alone now. But I be your guy now.
Listen, tell me. If I was your elder brother and I'm doing this food business, will you tell Adana to leave me for another man? Would you tell Adana to stop dating me? You know how long Adana and I we've been in this relationship. You know how long, you know how much I love her. And you just came from her bar, all you did was to tell her to stop seeing me. How can you do that? What is wrong with you?
Just hold it there. Hold it there. You mama put or papa put. Tinyelum put. And first of all, my own elder brother can never and will never. Mama put now. He can't do it. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Even are you not ashamed of yourself? You don't even do it in the city, but in the village. Local mama put. See, be careful.
Isn't it? Me ashamed of myself? Ashamed of what? Am I asking you for money? Am I going around stealing people's money? Am I asking your family for money? Isn't it? Am I begging? For your information, I am saving a lot of money to marry Adana. Stay out of my way. Stay out of my way.
You come and do it by force. Osibuomu. Magi ogini onepo. Hi. Adana, what did you see in this boy, your guinea? See, make up your mind though. You can never marry my friend. Or it won't happen. If you see. Me and you in this village.
Adana, what is wrong? Adana, you have been acting very strange. You've not been taking my calls. You have refused to come and assist me in cooking. What is the problem?
Nothing. I am not in the mood. I'm just not in the mood.
You are not in the mood? Okay. I told you my back is hurting. You promised to come and give me a massage. Are you giving me the massage or not?
I am tired. I can't. I can't. If I come to do it now, you turn it to something else. I can't. Please, I want to go home. I will see you tomorrow.
Adana. 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 Adana, I'm calling you. I've been calling you. Why are you calling? I've been calling you, you will not stop. I've been shouting your name. Eh? Adana, you have changed though.
What do you mean?
You have changed. This is unlike you. You don't used to do this before.
Why would you say you're coming to seek my hand in marriage without first of all doing what I said?
Doing what you said? What did you say? Hey, that I should stop my business. My jollof rice business. My acide hot business. How about no now?
Look at the way you're saying it, acide hot business. What is it? Not only acide hot, acide cold. Chilled like wine. Mortuary standard. That's what you should be doing now since you want to be doing petty businesses. What is this now?
Adana, what happened? You used to like this my business before. Eh? You used to encourage me that I should make a lot of money and come and marry you. Why are you doing this now? Have you seen another man? Eh?
See, then I was naive. Now I can see clearly. What is it? What is there to do? Change business. There are 1,001 businesses to do. You smell of spices all the time and I keep enduring. How can a young man like you, a handsome man like you, my own boyfriend, be smelling of ingredients all the time, for God's sake?
I used to package myself now. Eh? I don't smell like this every time. I used to package myself. It's okay then. I'll change the business if that's going to make you happy.
Eh? Are you sure?
I'll change it. Can we go inside and talk now? I promise I will change the business and I'll change it for you.
See, I don't want to come inside. You're not going to deceive me again. You have to promise and promise and promise. Let me be sure.
I promise you, let's go.
Are you sure?
Calm down.
My brother, you're not wise though. You're not wise at all. Obiora, how could you forfeit this business that fetches you money on daily basis because of the love you have for a woman?
I love her now.
May thunder fire that love.
Emeka, I love her.
Love waiting. Bros, did you even consider us? We that patronize you on daily basis. We enjoy your food. We like the way you carry yourself around your small business. Bros, you fall hand though.
I'm trying to look for another business so I can...
Obiora, you're a wonderful chef. A chef with an A1. Everybody likes your food. Bro, I will advise you continue this business. If you know where you've left your truck, go package your truck, start up again. Your destiny is in this food business, brother. Start up this business. Forget about this thing where they talk about you want to start another business, you want to start another business. Bro, you have it. You're a wonderful chef. Bro, please. I beg with all my life. Eh? Pico. Say, listen to me. I'm not just here just to spend this. Okay? So every day, I'm going to change your wardrobe, change your hair, and get you a car. I know you're right. I know, I'm serious. I'm dead serious. So everything is possible, okay? Yes. Enjoy yourself. Madam, more drinks.
Adana!
Adana, what are you doing here? Sweetheart, who is this madman ranting? Who are you? Hey, take that finger back. Who are you? Hey! Why are you ranting like a mad dog?
Adana! So it is true! Adana, so it is true!
It is true! It is true, Ole Rice, it is true. Adana is with her rich husband. A very loaded husband. It is true!
Did you hear that? When money talks, shit, sit down.
Tell him.
Hey! Hey, my chest! My chest, oh!
Hey,
My chest, oh!
Go somewhere else and
My
die.
chest, oh!
And down.
Hey!
Go and die somewhere else.
Hey!
Joy killer.
Adana!
Nash. Hey!
Forget about it. Very soon you'll be driving your car. SUV. And you can even pour him water. My baby.
Yes.
My love. Madam, bring more meat.
Oh.
Meat. Bring more meat. Do you have bush meat? My brother, I advised you to shine your eyes before Adana shine your eyes for you. See where it has landed you, brother.
Adana, what have I done to you?
Long story, brother.
Why did you do this to me?
Aye. Bro, my candid advice. You've saved enough money in this your cooking business. Go invest in yourself. I believe your destiny lies in this food business. Go to the business, invest in yourself, start up a cooking business, which I think you will do well in. People will troop in now, men, women, better than Adana. They will come and patronize you. I believe investing in yourself is the best, my brother.
Thank you.
Be fine guy. This village, I see the hot, Forget about them. City, now you need, now we need village, you need city.
This is my angel.
Chief,
Yeah.
did you enjoy our food?
Oh, there was so much of a good blend of the spices and the seasoning. You guys were delicious.
Chief, you're so funny.
Yeah, Funny Bone is my son.
Oh my goodness. That's so funny.
Yeah.
Chief,
Yes, dear.
can we ask you for a favor?
I'm all yours.
Okay.
Okay.
Chief, my mother's birthday is next week.
Oh, you told me about it earlier.
Yes.
All right. So,
Chief, I want you to buy me a fine car and some cool cash.
Please.
Chief.
all right. I'll gift you a beautiful car and enough money to go show yourself. Yeah. I need more.
Chief,
Yeah.
you know my mother's birthday is also next month.
Oh, that's lovely.
First week of next month.
Oh, so it's from celebration to another celebration.
Yes.
Oh, should we say celebration of your mother's burial or do it?
It's
Is that a celebration?
his birthday.
Oh, birthday you said. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about that. All right.
So I'll be needing some money
And the car?
on the car.
Yeah, of course you get it. I'll give it to you. But let's be
SUV.
done with this. Step by step.
No, Chief. It's almost time, like less than 2 weeks.
Yeah, I am with you. We're going to come back here immediately after. You understand? We're going to come back here and have fun. So from here, I just get one for you. You drive straight back home.
Chief, I know you can still do it. You're
Of
loaded.
course. Of course I can do it. I would like taking things.
Chief, stop stressing yourself. Stop stressing yourself.
I saw the new car. Congrats.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you.
So tell me, how is your mother's health?
Well, I haven't heard from the doctors, but I'm certain she's going to be okay. Yeah.
Good to hear. Obiora, there's something I want you to do for me.
What's that?
Good. This is not to insult your person, but I need you to help my daughter. She's having issues with her husband. When she was little, she refused to learn how to cook. And now the husband is bent on making her cook instead of getting a chef.
Right.
So I would love you to teach her on how to make different dishes, if you don't mind.
So you want me to teach your daughter how to cook?
Yes, and I'm ready to pay any amount for that. You know, I'm a businesswoman. I don't have the time to be going to the kitchen to do stuff, you know. Please, don't say no.
It's okay. I'll think about it.
Oh, please, no. I need a straight answer. Are you doing it or not?
Yeah, I'll think about it, and I'm sure I'd like to help.
Thank you.
I mean, it involves money, so yeah. Oh, so sorry.
You have a call?
Sorry, excuse me. Let's take this.
It's alright. I need to eat myself too. Oh, God.
Hello.
Hello, baby. How are you? I miss you. I miss you so badly. Can we see tomorrow? Perhaps after work.
I can't. Can you hear me? I can't talk right now. Can I call you back? I said I can't talk right now. Can I call you back? Oh, what?
Okay. Thank you.
Babe. Hi.
Any problem?
No, I'm just trying to check for what to wear.
That's alright.
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah, very well.
You want to get some sleep now? Mm-hmm. All right. Let's go to bed.
Alright.
You good?
Very well.
All right.
You like it?
You cook it, chop it, chop, you cook it, chop it, cook it. I love it.
No. No, you
They
like it.
blast my head. The
You know they make you wet. You know they make you wet.
You cook, you chop, you cook. You cook, you chop, you cook. You cook, you chop, you cook. You cook, you chop, you cook, you chop.
They feel the vibes. Oh!
Really, that place for my head. I don't die.
I guess sleep. Honestly, what is there for you to do for your friends?
I cannot do it. Babe, Maureen is your friend's wife, not my friend. If she really wants to learn how to cook so bad, she can go and enroll in a catering school, or better to get a chef. Anybody, not me.
Florence, this is unlike you. I can't believe that you are being stubborn in what I want you to do for your fellow married woman. I don't even want to talk about why you ended your relationship with her.
Babe, I don't understand. Where is all this coming from? Eh? What do you even have with this woman? Why are you constantly forcing me to teach her how to cook? Why? Am I a chef? Or is this house now a food and nutrition center? People now come here to learn how to cook. What is going on?
Babe, I just want my friend to enjoy his home. Please, I am begging you.
Because you have over-enjoyed your home. Abi? You have over-enjoyed your home. You're now facing people's homes. That is what it is, Abi. Please don't even come to me with this thing again. What is wrong with you?
Babe. Florence, I'm talking to you. Babe.
Who give you motor? You know you can't drive her. Yeah? How are you? Emeka, how far now?
I did fine.
Where are you going?
I had to go see my friend.
What are you doing?
Jesus!
Wait.
Who be text?
Huh?
My person one.
Come in. Let's go. Get in.
Your kind of go best.
Get in. Hey! Jesus! Wait! You know, finally! Get it. Jesus! How are you? So what did you look at fine?
I need to buy some plots of land.
Wonderful.
And I need them as soon as possible because I need to start building.
Okay. I'll make them available. I'll really make them available.
I'm sure you know some people to talk to.
Sadly, I have land agents.
Okay, that's fine. Who's that pregnant woman? Is that not Adana?
She's the one.
Huh?
She's the one. Iken actually broke her heart, abandoned her, and disappeared into thin air.
How are you?
I'm fine. Is this you?
Yes, it's me. Where are you going?
Wow. I'm going home. You look good.
Thank you. Just give me a second. I'll be right back. Please, I have this money. You can take a taxi home or something, okay? I just came to the village to do a few things, and I promise to see you before I leave, okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please take care of yourself.
All right. You too. Thank you. Thank you.
Adana, take care of yourself and always give yourself rest.
Thank you.
Bye.
You really have to stop looking at me like that. I already know what's going through your mind.
Adana, Emeka told me everything. He told me about your ugly experience. I'm deeply sorry.
It's fine. It's fine. How have you been? What have you been up to? What are you doing? Business, work? What have you been up to?
Everything is fine. I can't complain. I give God all the glory. I'm still in business. Food business, actually.
Eh?
Yes. I still do food business, but this time on a bigger scale. I have a big restaurant in the city. I intend to open other branches. I quickly came to the village to buy some lands so I can build some houses.
Lands?
Yes, I bought some lands. Going to build some houses. Emeka is actually helping me take care of that.
Wow. So you're still
So how about you? What's happening with you? I can see you're pregnant. How's that going?
I'm fine. I'm fine. You already know my situation. I've just been managing. I've not even been able to register for antenatal. But I hope to do so as soon as I get the money.
That won't be a problem at all. Just send me your bank details so I can do a transfer as soon as possible.
Are you serious?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It's nothing.
Thank you. God will bless you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay. You're welcome.
Obi. Obi. I am so sorry. I am sorry about everything. I mean, it wasn't my intentions. Isn't it led me astray? I am sorry, please.
It's okay. It's all in the past. Alright? It's fine.
Thank you.
That's okay. It's alright.
I'll text the details now.
No problem. It's okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Mama, you're going to cut this cake at the spelling of Jesus.
Oh,
let's start with the letter J.
Oh.
E. S. U. And happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Hip hip hip.
Hooray!
So let's pop some champagne for Mama.
I'm so happy, darling. I'm so happy.
Let's ask Mama how old she is today.
How
old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Hip hip hip.
wonderful people. Thank
We
you.
love you, Mama.
Thank you.
For long life and prosperity.
Bless you, my daughter.
You made my day. Thank you. Nice.
My daughter.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
More health.
Really blessed children.
Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Beautiful daughter.
Oh,
I'm coming back for you.
God bless you, my daughter. You're blessed. God bless you.
Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, Sonia. Oh, birthday for me at this age. Oh,
Yes,
thank you.
Mama.
Thank you.
It's really
I'm so
the
happy.
Lord's doing. And to give praises to Him.
Yes.
Thank you, my daughter.
Oh, thank
I can see the city is good.
Very good, Uncle. Very, very good.
Hey, you people, you
God will
took
keep
me
blessing
unawares.
you.
I would have invited all my friends, my women leaders in the church.
We want it to be all about you, Mama.
Oh, thank you very much.
So let's cheers to long life,
Oh,
good health, more strength,
Yes.
more success in your family.
Amen.
Amen.
These are wonderful.
Thank you. Oh, thank you very much.
Yes,
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Oh, nice.
The Lord is
Thank
good.
you. All the time. Thank you very much.
Then,
Hi.
Mama, come and dance for me.
Hey.
You see, but my sister is not giving to dancing, no. She's not giving to dancing.
It's a dangerous game they are playing. Dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game they are playing. A dangerous, 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 a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They play it up.
Hey, you see, she can actually dance.
She's not giving to that.
Yes. This is the one you
Just dancing. Just dancing, Mama. It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you, my darling. Thank you.
I gave it to you to keep for me.
I forgot. The wardrobe.
Even this is. I'll make sure Ulioma goes to the city. Ulioma will go to the city.
No, Mama, happiness is right.
This is
You're
great.
no longer happy. No, Mama, I'm very happy. Eh?
Don't show me. Look at my face.
Is this the life you can keep? No, Mama, it's for you. No, hey, where did Daddy come from?
This is great.
I used to react to dollar whenever I touch it. I like to transfer it.
Okay.
I will transfer your own. It's your day. I will transfer your own dollar.
Thank you.
When are you coming again? When are you going to come again?
I will come with my dollars.
Okay, please. I'm not saying that. Look at this. This is what they call dollars.
Yes, Mama.
This one is the dollar.
Yes,
This is the dollar. If you can't Kalia. Oh, Kalia. If you never them. Hey.
dollars everywhere. Please help me to
Kalia.
Hey, let me help her. Please help me. Let me help her.
Oh,
Sonia.
Your man must go to the city.
What is happening?
You two are suddenly just here from the city. I wonder.
Hey, let me grab this. Sonia, stop me. Let me pick this dollar. This is your friend.
You're still coming out.
No, this one's a home.
Your man must go to the man, the different day because
You're going to give me some of your dollar.
why not? You get your own shit. How? My brother. Hi. Please eat. You're not eating.
The dress is nice.
I never knew I would see what is called dollar. Talk less of the thing entering my house now.
You say that lady is your friend.
Dollar.
I like her. I like to be her friend. Look at money. Where did that lady come from?
No, what will happen is this.
I've never seen this like before. Give me some
We'll go and live with this one. She will go and live with her.
We'll discuss that,
They'll all go to the city.
Hey, let me you made my day. So this is my own.
And people should stop talking about this
I
dollar.
don't know.
People should stop talking about this dollar.
Is the dollar irritating you?
No, Mama, we'll help you to change it. That's what we're trying to say. If they talk too much, the dollar will just disappear.
Is it your own? Why would you take some? No, Mama, please, you should forget about this dollar. No problem, but it's okay. Yeah, enjoy your rice now. It's okay. Eat your rice. Mama, sorry. It's just that I've not seen dollar in my life before.
Don't blame her.
Who brought her in this place?
She's my friend's daughter. Don't worry.
Enjoy yourself and don't talk about the dollar again.
It's on a serious note, Sonia. You say that lady is your friend? Yes. Since she came in and after spraying the dollars, your countenance has changed. Is everything okay?
I noticed something like that.
No.
I noticed something like that.
That is our mood because we are thinking about the dollars we use in buying all these things.
Okay.
Uncle, this one is $200,000 that we use to buy this one.
And this is fish.
Yes.
What is this thing? What is this one?
That one is fish.
So, if she's your friend, then I'm happy about it. Because you know I know next to nothing about it. You help me change it.
It's fine. It's fine.
Auntie Sophia, you haven't even touched your food.
I wonder.
Why are you not eating?
It's
Okay.
Now her friend is not eating.
I wonder.
Okay, I'm eating. I don't like this kind of fried rice.
It's a dangerous game they are playing. Dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game they are playing up.
I said, now we they run this town. Now we they run this town. Now we they run this town. Their father.
What is she feel like?
Dog where they bite, no they back. I said, dog where they bite, no they back. Dog where they bite, no they back. Dog where they bite, no they back. Bingo's the back. Bulldogs, they observe. Bagas. Bingo. Go hide in tail for yash. Take off.
Jennifer, since I did like this so, eh? Now me be bulldog for this street. I dey bite for nyash, and if I bite on nyash, you don't go rest. You go dey run kitty kitty kitty, dey run kata kata. And so your life will just dey miserable. Shey dey hear am?
Sophia. When is your mother's birthday? Remind me.
20th now.
20th of when?
Of this month.
No, Yawana. I go pull body. Now that day, we go know pink and bulldog.
Just a taxi, na daddy, as if she feel mess. You feel mess? You know if you cough that day. Shebi that day they come now. We gallant, we Balenciaga, all of us go there. You go see fewer go on for you. Shey the hear am. They make noise, they oof like this, like say something come her.
Sonia, come on. Come on, let me get something. And you too?
All is well.
Heat, EK, hot heat. I want to go and ease myself.
Okay, my daughter.
Two of you at once?
No, this girl's from the city.
She said she wants to ease herself.
This girl's from the city. She never tell big girls.
Yes.
Very honest.
Don't worry, just don't.
The way they suddenly changed. Oh, Sonia, what happened?
My sister, I've told you. They're city girls.
Don't forget to let your birthday.
But I don't like the way my daughter and her friend, I don't like the way they're acting.
Oh boy, see dollar. Hey, Jennifer don't own thing for us.
My sister.
She disgrace us all. See dollar. With a spray naira, she dey spray dollar. Where she for see this money?
This guy na slow poison. Dog we know the back. Fear Ramo. He dey bite well.
My sister, this particular dog, don't bite Anyash. He bites us, no pity us. So she just carry bundle of dollar, they spray
anyhow.
Omo, your mama don't ama. Your mama don't ama.
This girl come my village. She come my village on film for us. Not be only my papa compound though.
No, it's a good deal. As we go back to city, and they go meet Jennifer, she must connect us. You see this money, this guy dollar, I won't follow her, they share, and that her connection, I need that.
Girl, wait 12 na be cat and dog. How she want to connect you?
No cat and dog help. Wait till fight don't put for your pocket sense. If it means make I go tell her sorry, I go tell her sorry now. Make she for just connect me. I want to make this dollar like this. I want to make her. It makes sense. You need that connection. This day. I want to for river so good that my eye.
Hi.
Hi. Good day.
Good day. Are you the chef?
Yes. Frank's Kitchen.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Madam Teresa paid me to teach you how to cook for 1 week.
Okay.
So at your convenience, I would like to teach you how to make all kinds of food.
All right. That's fine by me. Avi.